All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for Kindergarten Couch. Thank you for some of the cards and pictures and notes you've been sending. I love it. All right, come on over, take a seat. I would like to do another little devotional this morning. I want you to listen to this story. Now, this story, Michael the Helper, this is fiction. It's just a nice little story. But the theme, being a helper, can be found in the book of John in the New Testament. Now that is real. Because, right, the Bible is real. God's word is true. Michael heard a story about Jesus helping people. He wanted to be a helper too. One day, Michael went to Mrs. Ferguson's house. Mrs. Ferguson told Michael, "Our guinea pig Sam got out this morning. He is sleeping under the sofa." "Sam is sleepy, just like I was," said Michael. "But I woke up when I smelled breakfast." Mrs. Ferguson said, "What a good idea. Sam likes lettuce for breakfast. I'll get some." Michael held the lettuce under the sofa, and Sam ran over to it. Mrs. Ferguson put him back in his cage. "You were a good helper, Michael. You made Jesus happy by helping me," said Mrs. Ferguson. "I think Sam is happy too." All right, and the Bible verse is Psalm 105, verse 2. "Sing to him, sing praise to him, tell of all his wonderful acts." So again, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you will be a bucket filler. See all my bear books? I told you I love bears. I have a lot of bear books. Talking about bears, let's read Bear Snores On. Now it's a paperback. Say hello to all of our bear friends. Now this is a paperback. That means it doesn't have a hardcover, so I hope it stays up. All right, here we go. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. What do we call that when an animal or a bear sleeps all winter? Excellent! Hibernation. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dark, too dank." So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. Damp means cold, cold and wet. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but Bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the cave, in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. What's another word for hare? Right, rabbit. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. Ooh, good thing, right? A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs, at the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I also love how this book rhymes, don't you? I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in. You see, little mouse? And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. Don't make any noise. Whew. But the bear snores on. You don't want to wake that bear, right? A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear. Oh no, does anybody know what pepper makes you do? Right, achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. You don't want to move and disturb the bear. Oh no, and the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh no, look at everybody's running to take cover. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks. Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Look at little mouse, and the badger and the mole, and the birds, and the hare or the rabbit, and the wren, and the raven. So then Bear's awake, and all his friends are now asleep. Great book. Bear Snores On. Have a very good day.